Y'all there? Hello, sister lockers. Oh, back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. Hey. Okay, look, we got some problems here. I don't know for sure if y'all all have this same issue or not, but I am having a lot of hair follicles pop out of my locks, and I'm like, what's going on? It's white specks all through my locks, and it's like, it's not lint, it's not buildup, it's white specks. Can you see those? So where did the white specks, white bulbs come from? How can you tell the difference between the white specks and bulbs and lint or buildup? Okay, the white specks, they're actually sticking out throughout the lock like so, and you'll have a hard ball, looks like, on the end of the specks, and you can't pull it off. But basically, it's just hair that is shedding. The hair that is shedding, it breaks off your hair follicles, and because our hair is locked, the shedded hair has no place to go. If you were loose natural, you might comb out that shedded hair, or it might fall on the floor or blow in the wind or whatever else. You'll notice the shedded hair come out in your comb or brush or pick, things like that. But when we have locks, that shedded hair doesn't have a place to go, so it literally stays attached to our locks. It's a natural thing. Your hair goes through growing phases and a dormant phase. During the hair phases, it might shed and break off so new hair can grow. Now, I'm not scientific and I'm not technical about the phases of hair growth. If y'all want to get more into that, let me know, but you can research it yourself. So it's a natural process of having hair, and definitely a natural process of having locks. And we can see the hair follicles. A lot of times they can come from your hair being too tight or too tightly retightening. With us having smaller locks, our hair is prone to thinning and breakage. So make sure you don't put a lot of tight styles in your hair, and also make sure that you do not retighten your hair too tight, especially around the perimeter of your head. Ways to remove this is by coloring your hair. A lot of times mine pop up more when I do a shampoo or after my retightenings. There's no way to ultimately take care of this situation. It's just a part of the natural locking phase and process. You will see the shedded hair, and those would be white spots, white bulbs. Sometimes it can be brown, depending on your hair follicles, the color of your hair follicles. So white or brown spots, specks, will be down your locks to show you that your hair has shedded. But be careful with tight styles and tight retightening, because it can make it happen a little bit more than what is necessary or needs to. Everybody's hair sheds and everybody's hair grows. So you have to just accept this as part of being in a lock community, lock squad, locked up, locked down for life. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, drop it down in the comment and let me know. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.